Yes, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to revise the chapter number 3. We will recapitulate chapter number 3, safety and first aid. Clear? This chapter is done. Now you will answer the questions. If I ask you if any query is there, so you can write in the chat box. Yes, first of all, what do you mean by first aid? First aid means an immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor. Why is it important? What is the importance of first aid? Why do we give the first aid? And it's very important to have the knowledge of first aid. First aid की हमें knowledge होनी चाहिए because it is different for different conditions. ओके स्नेक बाइट का केस है तो फर्स्ट एड डिफरेंट होती है, बर्न्स के लिए फर्स्ट एड डिफरेंट होती है. तो वी हैव लर्नड द फर्स्ट एड. Okay, so first of all, write down in the chat box what is the importance of first aid and why do we give the first aid. Yes, to save the life of a person. Very good. Okay, it saves the life of the person when right type of first aid is given at the proper time. So first
Now you
aid,
नहीं होमवर्क वाली ले
beta
कर
mute
लेना
yourself.
have to write which number you have.
Now, what safety measures should be taken while working in the kitchen? Because most of the accidents occur in kitchen. We use the gas stove, we use the electric gadgets in the kitchen. So, what safety measures should be taken while working in the kitchen? We should be very careful कि accident हो ही ना. Okay, कि हमें first aid देनी पड़े. We should follow the safety rules in order to avoid accidents. So, what safety rules you are writing? Cotton clothes. You should write कि while working in the kitchen, we should wear the cotton clothes. Why should we wear the cotton clothes? Because they do not catch fire easily. Okay, very good. Bhuvi has written, we be careful with the knife. We are using knife. We should use it very carefully. We should not wear synthetic clothes. Very good. Ashdeep has written. And very good. Janvi has written कि if there is the case of gas leakage, so we should open the doors and windows. Why should we open doors and windows? Yes, write it. So that, yes, very good. So that gas spreads in larger area. And what else should we do in case of gas leakage? First of all, we should open all doors and windows. Second thing, yes, very good. Second thing is we don't have to touch the electric switches. If it is on, keep it on. If it is off, keep it off. Don't touch electric switches. Don't touch lighter or matchbox. Matchbox को भी नहीं touch करना. Lighter को touch नहीं करना because छोटे से spark can cause a blast. Clear? Okay, and go out of the room. Very good. And we should call the gas agency. हमें gas agency को बुलाना चाहिए after that. So these are the various safety rules. First one is use proper duster to hold the hot pans. Which cloth should be used to make the duster? It should be of cotton. Cotton cloth should be made because synthetic hoga so it will catch fire. So cotton, we should use the proper duster which is made up of cotton to hold the hot pans. We should not use our own clothes to hold the hot pans. Second, repair faulty gadgets. If there is repair needs, so we should send the electric gadgets for repair. अगर insulation is not proper, कहीं से जो wires हैं उसके ऊपर rubber उतरी हुई है, repair करनी चाहिए उसकी, तो उसे भेजना चाहिए for the repair so that we are protected. Okay, no fire case will be there if we are following the safety rules. Open all doors and windows if there is case of gas leakage and do not wear nylon clothes in the kitchen because they catch fire easily. Okay beta. Next, there is one condition. Okay, situation is given to you. Now Vedika, turn the video on and read this for all. वेदिका, हाँ जी बेटा रीड करिए इसको.
Ma'am, yes. Kavita's mother was going to cook vegetables. She put the oil in the pan and turned the gas on. She went out
To
re- to receive a phone call. When she come back, she noticed the fire in the pan.
yes, ये एक आपको सिचुएशन दी गई है. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस मे बी देयर इन द एग्जाम. ओके, कविता's मदर खाना बनाने लगी थी, अभी उसने पैन रखा था, गैस ऑन कर दिया था. ओके, तभी शी वेंट आउट टू रिसीव अ फोन कॉल, टू टेक द फोन. एंड समटाइम्स वी फॉरगेट कि हमने गैस ऑन किया है, हमने पैन ऊपर रखा है, हम बिजी हो जाते हैं. तो इस केस में भी कविता की मदर के साथ क्या हुआ कि वो भूल गए कि मैंने गैस ऑन किया है. व्हेन शी केम बैक, वापस देखा कि देयर वाज फायर इन द पैन. Okay, now what should she do? You have to answer the question related to this situation. अब इसी के बेस्ड आपको आंसर करना है. What should be done if oil in the pan catches fire? Now you have to write the answers in the chat box. Yes, it is light. So baking soda. Yes, beta, write it in the chat box. Very good. You are writing. Throw the baking soda over it. It is good. Yes. Second, what can you do? If baking soda is not there, ये नहीं कि आप ढूंढने लगो baking soda. If it is not in front of you, then you can put sand, mud. Before sand, mud, what can be done? The best way is to cut off the supply of air. How can we cut the supply of air? Hanji Manraj. Yes. Which is the best way to extinguish fire?
Ma'am, by covering the pan with an होल्डर एक्सेट्रा. मैम हमारी जो मैम फिर एयर होगी, एयर की सप्लाई मैम कम हो जाएगी. मैम वो फिर एयर की सप्लाई कट हो जाएगी. मैम जब हम फायर को हम कवर कर देंगे किसी भी मैम ढक्कन के साथ, तो मैम फायर पैन में ऑटोमेटिकली मैम बंद हो जाएगी.
वेरी गुड आंसर. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, उस पैन का ढक्कन ऊपर रख देना है. व्हेन एयर सप्लाई विल बी कट ऑफ, एयर सप्लाई बंद हो जाएगी तो फायर विल ऑटोमेटिकली गेट एक्सटिंग्विश्ड. ओके, तो बेस्ट वे जो है टू
Excuse me,
कवर द
ma'am.
पैन
Excuse
विद
me,
द
ma'am.
लिड. बेटा राइट इट इन द
Excuse
चैट
me,
बॉक्स.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Chat box, use the chat box. Yes, fire will be extinguished if we cover the pan with the lid. तो हमारा वो जो पैन है वो खराब नहीं होगा. क्लियर. और अगर सैंड मड डालेंगे तो हमारा वो ऑयल है, वी कैन नॉट यूज इट. जो भी हमने उसमें हम कुक कर रहे हैं वो खाना खराब हो जाएगा. तो बेस्ट वे क्या है, टू कवर द लिड, to cover the pan with the lid. It will cut off the supply of air and fire will get extinguished. Now next is first aid for minor burns. किचन में और क्या होता है, burns are there. Sometimes गर्म पानी पड़ गया, ऑयल पड़ गया. Sometime if minor burn is there, what should be done? We should have to put the burnt area immediately under the cold water. एकदम उसे ठंडे पानी के नीचे कर दो. इट विल कूल द बर्न्ट एरिया एंड नो ब्लिस्टर्स विल बी फॉर्म्ड. उस केस में छाले नहीं पड़ते, वो बर्न्ट एरिया कूल हो जाता है एंड you will get the relief from the pain also. Clear? Yes, this is the second option. Use aloe vera. Okay, कोई आप एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम यूज कर सकते हो. Bernol can be used. So first of all, we should put the burnt area under cold water if this is the case of minor burn. And what should be done in case of a major wound? बहुत deep cut लगा है, heavy bleeding is there, what should be done in that case? Yes, heavy cut is there, it is continuously bleeding, blood बंद नहीं हो रहा. Yes, very good. In that case, we should use the tonic first. Tonic is the band. Okay, band होता है. You can use your handkerchief or dupatta if tonic is not there. So just above the cut or wound, you have to tie it tightly. इसको tightly बांध देना है to put the pressure so that bleeding can stop. Then after that, you have to wash the cut or wound with the clean water or soap, then apply the antiseptic. If it is still bleeding, then we should consult the doctor. Clear? So tonic, we have to apply tonic. You can see in the picture. आपकी वो blood लेते हैं ना, sometimes blood test करना होता है तो जो एक tight band बांधते हैं आपकी बाजू के ऊपर, that is tonic. It puts the pressure, bleeding जो है वो, it helps to put the pressure and it helps to stop the bleeding. Then after that, we have to wash it with clean water, apply the antiseptic lotion or antiseptic cream. Then next is, if the case is of fire. अब पहले हमने किया कि we should follow the safety rules. Now if fire is there and it is caused due to electricity, then what should we do? Okay, prevention from fire. What should be done if the fire is caused by electricity? We should use the fire extinguisher. We should not put water on it because water is good conductor of electricity and we may have an accident, we may suffer or we may get electric shock. So we should use either a fire extinguisher or we can use sand or mud to put off the fire. We should not use the water if it is the case of electricity. Very good, you are answering in the chat box, but some students are not answering. All of you should take part. Now, what should be done if the fire is caused by petrol or diesel? Can we use water in this case? If not, then why? Yes, very good. You have written no, we should not use water. Why should not we use water? Because it is lighter than water. It floats on water. It makes the upper layer. Okay, so fire will not get extinguisher or is extinguished and it will spread. ज़्यादा फैल जाएगी if we use the, तो we should use a fire extinguisher in this case. इस case में भी हमें fire extinguisher use करना चाहिए. If fire extinguisher is not present, then we can use mud or sand. But if we are using water, the fire will not get extinguished. Okay, foam can also be used. Fire extinguisher is the best option. Sand can be used. Now, first aid for a wound or cut. For minor burn, wash the area with soap and water. And then after that, we have to apply the antiseptic lotion. अगर हल्का सा कट है तो we can use the band-aid. Okay. This way we can cure the minor cut. After washing, we have to apply the band-aid. This is the band-aid.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Then in the snake bite, ma'am, we apply tonic on the person's part where the snake bites.
Yes, beta, but we will do that. You have to use the chat box. We have to use the tonic weight. Yes, good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta, use the chat box. Now, next is what should we do if person's clothing catches fire? if a person's clothes catch fire, what should be done in that case? Very good. Roll on the ground. You are quick to answer.
We should.
We can cover it with the blanket or any thick cloth available. जो भी available है वहाँ पर cloth, we should put it on the clothes on that person, and it will cut off the supply of air and fire will get extinguished. We can ask that person to drop and start rolling on the ground. It will also help to cut off the supply of air. And if some cloth is available, some thick cloth is available, then we can put it on that person to extinguish the fire. Now next is what should be done in case of a snake bite. If it is the case of Saksham, don't send this type of messages. Yes. What should be done if this is the case of a snake bite? Clear? If snake bites, so what should we do? Yes, use a tourniquet first. And if tourniquet is not available there, so what should we use? We can use a dupatta or any handkerchief in order to put the pressure so that venom does not reach our heart and brain, because it affects when it reaches the blood, it reaches the brain, it reaches the heart, then जो poison है we call it venom. So it is very dangerous. It can paralyze, कोई हमारा body part paralyze हो सकता है, or it may cause the death also. Yes, we can squeeze the blood by using our mouth. जहाँ से कट लगा है ना, दो आपको कट दिखे थे, fangs snake use करता है to insert the blood into the
Excuse me, ma'am.
the poison
Excuse
into
me,
the
ma'am.
blood. Better use the chat
Excuse me,
box
ma'am.
reading that. Clear? We should take the patient immediately to doctor after using the tourniquet. We can put a cut over that area. We can squeeze the blood. Then after that, immediately the patient should be taken to the doctor. So tourniquet should be applied just above the bitten area. यहाँ पे bite किया snake ने, उसके just ऊपर tightly बांध देना चाहिए कोई भी cloth और tourniquet. दो tourniquets we can use also. Okay, एक ऊपर एक
मैम
उसके
मैंने
ऊपर एक और.
ये क्वेश्चन लास्ट टाइम भी पूछना था जब आपने पहली बार चैप्टर कराया था, कि ना अगर हम मुंह से पॉइजन स्क्वीज करेंगे तो हमें सक करेंगे तो हमें पॉइजन लगेगा हमारे माउथ में.
we don't have to swallow that. We have to put it out. Okay, उसको spit कर देना immediately after squeezing. But better है use a tourniquet, cut लगा के
Excuse me, ma'am.
को squeeze करो and after better use the chat box. Okay, then if it is the case of dog bite,
Excuse me, ma'am.
better use the chat box. Yes, if it is the case of dog bite, it should not be ignored. इसको ignore नहीं करना चाहिए, because saliva of the dog has germs which may cause rabies. Rabies हो सकती है. It is a dangerous disease which affects the nervous system. And in this case, person feels restlessness होती है, उसको बहुत irritating feel करता है. It gets irritated, उसको बहुत severe headache होती है, and he has the fear of water also. वो पानी से डरता है, and that we call hydrophobia. Hydro means water, phobia means डर. So, dog bite should not be ignored. If there is the case of dog bite, so we should go to the doctor for anti-rabies treatment. इसमें injections लगती हैं to cure rabies, but once जब symptoms आ जाते हैं rabies के, then it is difficult to control, then it may be fatal also. इसमें death हो सकती है इस case में. So anti-rabies treatment should be there if it is the case of dog bite. Clear? उसमें भी dog bite के case में भी we should wash the bitten area with soap and water. Then after that apply antiseptic lotion or cream. Then go to the doctor for anti-rabies treatment. Clear? Now, what is a fracture and what are the various symptoms of a fracture? What should be done in case of a fracture? Very good, Satvir. Crack in the bone is called fracture. When there is a crack in the bone, bone टूट जाती है, that case we call it fracture. Clear? What are the different symptoms? Skin darken हो जाती है. Skin वहां से dark reddish और bluish हो जाती है on the injured area. Clear? So
Excuse
there may be pain. It is difficult to move. इसको move करना difficult होता है. Yes, it is painful and we should not move that area. Clear? Bitten area swells. Very good. Yes. And what is sprain? अब आप स्टार्टिंग में पूछ रहे थे स्प्रेन क्या होती है, तो दिस इज द स्प्रेन. स्प्रेन जब पैर मुड़ जाता है, जहाँ कलाई मुड़ जाती है, व्हेन देयर इज ट्विस्ट, ड्यू टू ट्विस्ट देयर सम मसल्स गेट डैमेज्ड, मसल्स फट जाती हैं. समटाइम्स व्हेन देयर इज ट्विस्ट ओके इन द एंकल और द रिस्ट, तो वहां पे क्या करते हैं, वहां पे what should be done in that case? Write it in the chat box. Yes, it is difficult to move. Yes, it is painful. Sometimes it swells also. Yes, twist in the ankle or wrist is called sprain. वहां पे मोच आ जाती है, मुड़ जाता है, तो sprain होती है. We should rest the injured part. Very good. Yes, we can use elastic bandage. Very good. And first day we have to put it in cold water, and second day onwards we can put it in the warm water for a few minutes. उससे भी हमें relief मिलेगी, pain से relief मिल जाएगी. Okay. Ma'am has sent the link of the
Dear.
box. You have to fill your attendance. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
मैम ने सेंड करके ना फिर भूवी भी सेंड कर रही है गूगल फॉर्म.
Bhuvi, don't do this.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, गूगल फॉर्म में ना सेक्शन का सेक्शन नहीं खुल रहा.
It opens, no problem is there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, now you can write in the chat box or you can